When shopping for dinghies, a lot of questions come to mind. Inflatable or hard side? If you want the inflatable, do you want the inflatable keel, the roll-up keel, or the floorboards in the inflatable keel? And then do you want the large diameter tubes or the standard regular size diameter tubes? And then how many chambers do you want in the tubes? Chambers are important because you can see here, there's one chamber. Here you can see the second chamber right there. The third chamber is right here. And the fourth chamber, you can see the inflation port right there. So this is a 4-chamber inflation tube set. And you can see that the stability or the safety of the boat is great because we've got 4 inflation chambers. One of them has deflated. So you can imagine that the boat will be safe and float. You just can't go fast. So if this is a safety device or a safety feature when you're buying dinghies, do you want the standard or the deluxe? In this case, this is deluxe. It's got 4 inflatable chambers. If one should leak down, you still have 3 more to give you the flotation and the buoyancy. And then, of course, it's always good to travel with your foot pump so you can blow it back up whenever necessary. If you've got questions about boats, about dinghies, about systems or navigating, ask Captain Chris.